One of the cornerstone experiences of the 5th graders at ASIJ is a 3-day trip to Hakuba, Nagano. There's a lot of things that I really love about this trip, but one thing is you really see the kids challenging themselves and trying things that they didn't think they could do, and seeing their perseverance and their pride and their joy when they're able to do something that they haven't done, like rock climb to the top of the wall, or ride a bicycle, or paddle a canoe with a partner.
To overcome my fears, I'm really happy to overcome my fears, because the first time I was crying, I was so scared of doing it, I just couldn't do it. But with a little bit of training and a little bit of courage, you can just be on the top of your fears.
I'm going to be courageous by going in deep water, because I'm normally really scared of the high water, so I'll try to go to the more high water places to overcome my fear.
This trip to Hakuba really provides the students with an experience to put into practice so much of what they learn about at school through all of the portrait of learner competencies and even some of their academic skills. Some of the key competencies that we really see the kids work with and grow in during the trip are collaboration, communication, and mindset.
Someone encourages you, you should listen to them, because it would help make your brain think, oh, I can do this. It might be hard, but I can still do it.
I have to keep trying for this one.
Halfway I thought it was impossible, but I never gave up and never backed down, so I went and I actually did it, and I went to the very top.
So brave, so bad. You didn't give up. Kyle, way to persevere.
In the classroom, we foster a mentality of teamwork, but in Hakuba, they have to take what they've learned and apply it in very different situations.
In orienteering, we have to work together, use the compass, and find all the clues to lead to the end.
My favorite thing about being on a team is that you get to work with friends, and you have an idea, but if another friend or a person in your team comes and has another idea, and then you can combine it together to make a better idea.
To me, leadership means not telling people what to do, but leading people and guiding people and giving suggestions.
I think they do a lot of growing over the 3 days. Some of that is evidenced in their confidence and what they're able to do on their own, how they interact with others.
One thing I learned today is that you don't have to be the leader to have fun.
I think I learned yesterday that I can do hard things, and then afterwards, even I could be really proud of myself, even if during it I don't think I would be proud of myself.
I feel like I learned that never giving up is the right way, instead of giving up whenever you feel like it.
I want to know that if they are still scared, just encourage yourself and go, so you would have a lot of fun.